Welcome to Beautyistic. You know how tricky it can be to get a good clean between those tight spaces in your teeth, especially when you have braces, retainers, or crowns. Well, if you're looking for an easy and effective solution, I might have just the thing for you. Today, I'll be reviewing the Doctor's BrushPicks Interdental Toothpicks and Interdental brushes, designed to help you get that deep clean and fresh mouthfeel, even in those hard-to-reach places. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more expert tips and honest reviews here on Beautyistic. Now let's dive into the details. This product comes with 275 interdental brushes and 120 toothpicks, providing a total of 395 pieces, all neatly packed in portable cases, making them perfect for travel or on-the-go cleaning. These interdental brushes have long, gentle bristles that are perfect for reaching between teeth, even those tricky spots around braces and permanent retainers. The dental pick end is designed to stimulate gums, fight gingivitis, and help remove plaque, supporting your overall oral health. Clinically, it's been proven to be more effective than flossing, and regular use can lead to noticeable improvements in your oral health in just 2 weeks. When it comes to real-world usage, I've been using these brushes for a while now, and I have to say, they are super convenient. The brush heads feel gentle on the gums, but still provide a deep clean, and I noticed an improvement in how my gums felt after just a few uses. The pick end is great for really scraping off stubborn plaque, and I found it to be easy to maneuver around my teeth. Plus, the compact packaging makes it easy to carry with me, which is a big win when I'm traveling. Now, on to the pros and cons. On the positive side, these interdental brushes are gentle yet effective, even with braces or retainers. The dual functionality of the brush and pick is a great feature, 2 tools in one. And the compact, travel-friendly packaging is a huge bonus for those of us constantly on the move. However, on the downside, the brush heads can be a bit fragile, so they require a bit of care to avoid bending the bristles. Also, while they do a fantastic job on my teeth, they might not work as well on more stubborn, deep-set plaque without a bit of extra effort. As for value for money, I think it's a fair deal considering the quality and convenience. For just under $20, you get a huge pack of 395 picks and brushes, which is a solid investment in your dental care routine. Plus, it's clinically proven to be better than flossing, which really sets it apart from other products in the same price range. In terms of alternatives, there are a few other options on the market, but I found that none really match the convenience and performance of the Doctor's BrushPicks. If you're looking for something more affordable, there are smaller packs of interdental brushes that can get the job done, but the sheer quantity and versatility of this set are hard to beat. Now, as for build quality, the materials used are solid for the price point. The plastic handles are lightweight but sturdy, and the bristles don't shed or lose their shape too quickly. These are definitely built to last for daily use over an extended period. So, does this product live up to the hype? In my opinion, yes. Whether you're looking for something to help with plaque removal, or just want a way to freshen up your smile on the go, the Doctor's BrushPicks Interdental Toothpicks and brushes are a great option. They're gentle, effective, and easy to use, making them a must-have for anyone serious about their oral hygiene. Thank you so much for watching. If you've already used this product, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. You can find the link to purchase in the description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews just like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.